Posted a video earlier. I was out here around 10, 11 o'clock. Right now it's 6 in the evening. Same lake. Went and got some more horny toad. Zoom horny toad. Yeah. They still biting right there. Should have some more footage of some fish. Let's go. There we go. Let's go. We live. They still hitting. We live. They still hitting. Good pound. Pound and a half. Nice. Let's go, baby. I'm here. Let's go. That's another one for you. That's another one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on, Skipper. That's another one for you. That's another one for you. Now that's a 3-pounder. Yeah. Telling you, I'm raping them today, you hear me? Raping them right there. Right there. And that, and them duck seeds, boy, raping them. That's a pretty baby. Yeah. Raping them. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on, I have a couple more for you soon. Got another one for you here. Whoa, slow down, Skipper. Slow down. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at my boy. Damn, that nigga got a bruising right there, don't he? Yeah. Boy trying to tear that thing up. I'm telling you. There you go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I mean, that bass tournament. Let's go. Should have a couple more before I leave. You're ready. Let go.